Here I have Honor 10 Lite, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot is located right here at the top of the device. Let's just simply use some thumber tag or special eject tool, or in my case the paper pin. Let's just use this hole and press it to the end. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, and here you can insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. Here instead of micro SD you can also use Nano SIM card, but in my case let me use the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and let's insert the Nano SIM into the second slot right here. And this is the properly prepared slot. Now you can put the whole thing into your device. Let me do it. Alright. Sorry, let me do it again. Just put the whole thing right here and press it to the end. Alright, so now let me switch on the device to check out if both cards are working properly. The Honor 10 Lite is switching on. Here you can unlock the device. Let's choose settings, select the wireless and network, tap dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is using one SIM card. You can also go back right here and choose storage, and here you've got the information about the memory card. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.